Hi, hello to everyone. Welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from vectors of 12th class. The question is the position vectors of P and Q are 5 I cap plus 4 J cap plus A K cap and minus I cap plus 2 J cap minus 2 K cap respectively. If the distance between them is 7, then find the value of A. Okay. So here, if you take like this is the position of the vectors, both vectors, right? So this is OP, vector OP, this is vector OQ. These two are given here. What we have to find? The distance between these two. Okay. Distance between these two is given 7, right? Then find the value of A. Okay. So OP, vector OP is given by 5 I cap plus 4 J cap plus AK cap. OQ vector OQ minus I cap plus 2J cap minus 2K cap. Okay, we have to find OQ vector, PQ vector, PQ vector, excuse me. So what for to find the PQ vector, what we have to do is OP minus OQ, vector OP minus vector OQ, which is given by what is OP? 5 I cap plus 4 J cap plus AK cap minus of minus I cap plus 2J cap minus 2K cap, right? Now 5 minus of minus, what is the coefficient of 5 here? 1. So minus of minus is 1. Minus of minus is plus, and you will get plus 1 I cap. Next plus 4 plus minus into plus minus. So plus 4 minus 2 J cap plus A minus into minus plus A plus 2 K cap, which is equals to 6 I cap plus 2 J cap plus A plus 2 K cap. Okay, this is vector PQ. But what we have to find? Distance between them is given. We have to find the A value. So how to find the distance? Vector PQ, this is the distance which is given by 7, right? So for this formula, what? Root of coefficient of I. Say for example x, y, z, if you take x square plus y square plus z square, right? That is given 7. Okay. So this, if you square this, mod PQ whole square equals to 7 square, right? This what you will get? Root of I cap coefficient is 6 square, 6, that is square. J cap is 2, so 2 square plus A plus 2 whole square, and this whole square equals to 7 square. Square and root get cancelled and remains this. 6 square is 36, 2 square is 4 plus A plus 2 whole square equals to 49. 36 plus 4, 40. 40 plus A plus 2 whole square equals to 49. A plus 2 whole square equals to 49 minus 40, which is equals to 9. Now expand, let us expand this A plus B whole square formula. A square plus 2A, sorry 2A not 4A plus 4 is equals to 9, which implies A square plus 4A plus 4 minus 9 equals to 0, which implies A square plus 4A minus 5 equals to 0. Here we got an quadratic equation. So we can, by splitting the middle term, we can find the value for A. So what a square plus 4a minus 5 equals to 0. So 5 into 1 is 5. So if you can split this, sorry, you can split this middle term in terms of 5 and 1. So plus 5a minus 5 equals to 0. Understood? So in these two, a is common. So a plus 5. This 2 minus 1 is common. A plus 5, which is equals to 0. So a plus 5 into a minus 1 equals to 0. So a plus 5 equals to 0 or a minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, a equals to minus 5 or plus 1. Understood? Okay. If you don't understood anything in this, you can specify that particular doubt in the comment section. I'll answer it. And if you didn't get any problems, not only in this chapter, in any chapter from maths, okay, I'll solve the problem and I'll put a separate video for it. Okay, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Deep Maths.